These are s'more cookie bars. We're gonna have graham cracker crust on the bottom, the cookie layer, that marshmallow fluff, and then bits of chocolate chips and the cookie. This is gonna be perfect for all those functions you're holding, for the kids, for the family, the big gatherings, or even on a school night. Who cares? You're going to love this recipe. To all my baking enthusiasts, to all my home bakers, I'm Samantha. Let me know in the comments down below how you like this video, how you like the recipe. Thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you on the next one.
Okay, let's begin. As per usual, we're going to measure out all our ingredients. I'm starting off with the butter and the brown sugar. I'm going to put it in the same bowl because we are going to cream that together. In a separate bowl, I'm going to measure out the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Now I'm going to prepare my pan. This is a 9 by 9 inch square pan. I'm going to cut out a strip of parchment paper just so that it overlaps the edges, as you'll see here. So once it's done baking, all you have to do is pull on the sides and it'll come right up. I'm also using a baking spray just to ensure that nothing gets stuck. Now our graham cracker crumbs. I am measuring this right into the pan because I am going to press it down as if it were a crust. Moving on, let's begin to cream the butter and brown sugar together. And like always, we got to make sure we're pulling the bowl down and cleaning the side of the bowl in between our steps. This just makes sure everything gets incorporated and nothing is stuck on the bottom. Now we're going to add our eggs and vanilla extract and we're going to beat it. Now it may not look like it's mixing properly together, but don't worry. With time, it will mix, and once we add the flour, everything will incorporate beautifully. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, as always. Now let's begin to slowly add our flour mixture in, but let's put it on a low speed so the flour does not go flying everywhere. Once incorporated, take off the paddle attachment, and using your spatula, you're just going to ensure that you mix everything properly. Now this next part, we will get a little messy, but that's what baking is all about, right? We're going to add about 2/3 of this cookie dough onto our graham cracker crumbs. And we're going to spread it around. Don't worry if the graham cracker crumbs begin to come up and loosen around. Our main goal is to ensure we cover the base of this pan. This will be the bottom of our little bars. Now that it's spread, we're going to add our marshmallow fluff. I'm spraying down the spatula with the baking spray to help move it around. Time to add our chocolate chips. We're just going to spread them on top. Now with the rest of the cookie dough, you're just going to dollop them on top. No need to spread it completely. This is going to melt over and spread in those empty spots as it bakes. I'm going to pop this in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. That's it for these delicious s'mores bars. I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one.